Welcome to the Technician Status Screen Review, designed to simplify task delegation and streamline time monitoring for technicians. First, let's go over the Technician Status panel, which displays 6 distinct statuses. 1. No Show highlights technicians who are not present at the workshop. 2. Idle shows technicians who are available on-site but currently unassigned. Third Pause indicates technicians with an active task who have requested and received approval for a pause. 4. In Progress marks technicians who are actively working on a task and have clocked in. 5. Complete shows tasks that have been finished by technicians, along with the total time taken to complete them. 6. Warning highlights technicians who have exceeded the allocated time for a task. On the left side of the screen, we see the technician names, their respective departments, such as electrical, mechanical, and body repair, and the status indicators for each. The top panel displays workshop operating hours. Every 15 minutes, the system updates to reflect each technician's status, though these time slots can be customized as per workshop preferences. Now let's dive into the status boxes. Clicking any box reveals task details, including the task description, job card number, estimated completion time with a color-coded status, and assigned labor hours. It also shows the actual time the technician took to complete the task. This screen also supports task assignment by department. You can assign pending tasks to technicians by selecting an idle status box. For approved tasks, you'll see job card numbers, plate numbers, task names, and assigned labor hours. Simply press the Assign button to notify the technician to start. Finally, let's look at the warning status. For example, if a technician was expected to complete their task by 12:06 p.m., but it's now 12:13 p.m., the system marks this technician with a red warning status, indicating that the allocated time has been exceeded.